how to buy music by virtuals token. So this token came under the symbol of music. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, it's available on CoinMarketCap. Now, as you can see here, guys, it's keep increasing, as you can see. So to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address, it's came under the base network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet and switch the network to base network. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. And as you can see, it's our token. Now click on plus icon to be able to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your token like this. So this is it. Now click on swap, switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, click on buy now and you will be able to buy the music token on your wallet. So this is how to buy music token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.